This is a measuring jar and this is a funnel. So now what I'm going to do is take 5 ml of this is hydrochloric acid. Okay, so it will be 5 ml. This dilute hydrochloric acid. So let's do that.
Very cool. Very cool.
It ran out, but this is clean, so I can pour a little bit back. This is clean. Yeah, there we are, almost there. So it doesn't matter, guys. So I took about 5 point something ml of what was this? HCl. Okay. Now what I do is I put a few drops of phenolphthalein. What am I going to do? I'm going to take a few drops of phenolphthalein. What is phenolphthalein? It's an indicator. What is it? It's an indicator. With acid, what color will it be?
Red.
It will be colorless. With acid, it will be colorless. So let's see this. Only few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So colorless. It becomes not colorless, but we can say it's like cloudy, a little bit cloudy. So we can call it as with no color. It's cloudy. Okay, fine. And then now what are we going to do? We are going to take another substance, that is an alkali. What is the alkali? NaOH, sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, so let's pour an alkali in it, but we have to be very careful in that. Where is that? I take a dropper and I pour it in it. Now look, why is it still being pink? Why is it changing to pink? Because I am adding a alkali, but that alkali is not strong enough to neutralize it. The volume is not enough to neutralize it. So still not. It should reach, let's see, it should be little more than 10. Then the volume will be more. That means the volume has become, the volume of NaOH is more than what? More than double. Means 5, I took 5 acid, so it's more than that, it's 10. So now which ion is more in it? Which is more in it? The alkaline solution or the acidic solution? Which is more? Hydroxide is more or H plus is more in this? Hydroxide is more. H plus it will be colorless. OH it will be pink. Are you understanding? Now see the fun. I take fresh, I can use this. Oh yeah, I take fresh one. And this is HCl. Okay. See the fun. CC. See the fun. See. Now see what is happening. What is happening? So why colorless? Which is more? H plus ions. Got it? Now see. Now if I take NaOH and then I drop.
Delicious.
Yeah. Almost. Now I have to be careful.
Very good.
Okay? Clear? So what reaction is this? What is the name of this reaction? Very good, very good. Keep it up. Thank you.